Can you explain HAN, or the High Availability Network?
What we refer to as HAN, which is a high availability network, really is a combination of both VSAT and a terrestrial. So as we look to terrestrial becoming our primary, VSAT still plays a role for us as a backup. So when that cable modem fails or that DSL fails, which happens every day across 840 sites, there's always a handful of branches every morning that went down, failed, that circuit failed sometime through the night. So the branch comes in, they don't have that cable modem, they don't have that DSL. VSAT's there for them to at least be able to continue to make loans, take payments, do those critical pieces from a customer-facing standpoint. We also use VSAT for packet delivery, which means that every night or whenever we have a need to push code down for our legacy lending system, or we have security patches for the server, all of that is driven down to our branches via VSAT.
I assume employee training is very important. Can you tell us about Springleaf's training needs?
As a result, really, of a employee survey that we did here a couple years ago, the need for training was one of the top items that came out of that survey. Our employees want more training. They want not only to be trained on the lending system, but they want to be trained on other things as well. Our branch managers go through a lot of training to get to where they are as a manager. So as we push, instead of pushing a document down to our branches to read, we send it down in a training mode. And we're getting into that YouTube world where employees, they want training, but they want a 15-minute training session, not a half-a-day training session or an all-day training session. So we've got a group here that is dedicated to training, dedicating to putting those training modules together, and then again, that's all being delivered to the branches via our HAN network.